children. In the previous class I have given you some of the details of HTML. Now today I am going to take the topic about the tags, elements and attributes. First topic is tag. Now what is a tag? Tag is a basic formatting tool of HTML. It is used to tell web browser how and where to keep a particular text. It should be where it should be displayed in the web page. It is always written between the angle bracket. What is angle bracket? This bracket is known as the angle bracket. For example, if you have to give any command, you have to give the title, then you have to use this angle and you have to write the title. After that we can write any statement. Here also HR and B. So we are writing in the angle tool. Now all the tools are started with the opening tag. Okay? Opening, and some of the tags are only with the opening and closing, and some of them are only opening tag. Okay. Next is elements. Now what is elements? Okay, before that, classification of tags. Tags are classified in two parts of tags. Okay, two parts: empty tag and container tag. Okay, in the empty tag it is not required of is not required. In which tag there is of is not required, that is known as the empty tag. Now in container tag, on and off both are required. That means opening and closing both tag are required in the container tag, but in the empty tag only opening tag is required. Now next is elements. Now what are elements? Elements is the basic, it is the basic building block Okay, it is the basic building block. Now in this it includes everything starting from the opening till the closing tag. That means it will start with the opening and it will stay till the closing tag. Now for example we can see U. Now U stands for underline. How are you? Now it will have the closing also. Okay. In the closing, we have to use the slash to close it. This slash indicates that this is the closing tag. And if there is no slash, that means it is the opening tag. So, for the underline, what we are doing? Opening tag, U. U stands for underline. How are you? Now, closing tag slash U. That means when you will see in the web page, how are you is written in the bold. Now next is attributes. Attributes are the extra bits of information. It is the extra bits of information. It appears inside the opening tag. Or we can write the on opening stand. On is also written over there. On tag. And their values are written. And their values are written. Written inside quotation. Okay, inside the quotation marks you will see that it is in. What are the attributes? Attributes are the extra bits, that is extra bits of information. It will appear with the opening tag, that means on tag or opening tag. Both are the similar thing, okay? Don't be confused. On tag or opening tag. Now, these are written within the quotes. Quotes, okay? It will be written over here, okay? Now, next is, we can see this with the help of example also. Now, what is the example? Tag name, attribute name. This is the syntax. Equal to attribute value. Okay. This is the syntax of attribute. Now, how can we see this? P align equal to center. Now, P align, that is, this is a tag and this will be, paragraph alignment will be in the center. So, center has been written in the quotes. You can write it here, right, left, center, which alignment you want, you can give it here. Now, rules for writing HTML code. How to write? There are some of the rules. Now, what are the rules, first rule is tags should remain in the proper tag order. In the proper tag order. For example, if you have to write the title and after that you are giving the title and after that you have to do it bold. And if you are writing bold first and title afterwards, this is the wrong way. So what you have to do? You have to write the tags in the proper order. So it should be aware that what you are writing, if the tags are not in the proper way, it will be wrong. Now second, always close the tags. Always close the tag. Now if you don't close it, what will happen? Open should be, it should be confused that you are the tag which you have written, that is correct or not, or it is working right or not. So always close the tags. A tag which is open should be closed. Closed to avoid confusion. Okay, there should be no confusion. That's why we should always remember to close the tab. Third one, prefer lowercase characters. If you are writing the tags, you should always prefer the lowercase. Lowercase means small letters. Okay? You should always write it in the small letters. It should be not written in the capital letter. So while writing the tags, you should always prefer it the lower case. If you are writing any text, there you can use the capital letters, but here while writing the tag, you should use the lowercase. Always quote attribute values, because unquoted values will create a problem. So before this I have explained you that while writing the attributes, you should use the quotes. Within the quotes, only attribute values should be written. Okay? Always remember, values should be written in the quotes. Otherwise, it will be a problem for you. Now next, tag names cannot contain spaces. For example, if you are using a tag that is title, TITLE, that means you are giving the space over here. This is the wrong method. There should be no space given in the tag. Okay. Simply you have to write like this. Okay. Now, next topic is structure. Now what is the structure? Structure of HTML document. There is a proper method how you have to write the HTML coding. Okay, so there is one structure. You should follow that structure. First, the head section contains the information about the web page. About the web page such as document, documents title. Okay, before that you should know that while you are writing the HTML coding, you should start with HTML. Okay, you have to write your HTML and at the last you have to close it, end it with the /HTML. Without this, it could mean the programming should not be completed. So you have to start with this tag HTML and you have to end with the /HTML. Okay. Now next is the body section. The body section. Now in this body section contains the actual content which is to be displayed. Okay, so body will be the content which should be displayed. Which is to be displayed. Okay.